to say that you are fine. I mean, you're mighty fine. You go okay, but now you...
Good morning. Welcome back to the Knitting Diaries. I realized that every time that I record the Knitting Diaries or I spend one day knitting, I also do laundry. So I was just hanging it outside, and I hope it doesn't take too long to dry this time because it's quite chilly today, as you can see. And talking about chilly and cold, probably you can tell that I'm wearing my red hot chili sweater down there. So I'm starting at the end, but I finished it. I'm really happy. So I spent last week, the full week, I was knitting this. So I had the one dramatic day where I had to frog. I made like this safe line. I picked up some stitches to unravel until that point. So it was safer to not mess it up completely. And I fixed it for all sizes. I'm really happy. I'm currently writing the pattern. I was yesterday, spent the whole day tech editing it, and all the math is correct. I'm so happy. I think it's gonna turn out fantastic. And I've been wearing it also. So I finished it a couple of days ago, and I've been wearing it every other day to just test if the fit is right, if it's comfy to wear. I'm actually loving it. I could live in this sweater forever. So today, actually, the plan is to mix a little bit of knitting because that brings me joy. That's what keeps me going. And also do a little bit of the YouTube recording. So I want to include a YouTube tutorial with the pattern for those that are maybe jumping from advanced beginner to intermediate knitter to work out the European shoulders with the increases on both sides of the work while knitting flat. And also the chili motif. I wanted to have the video tutorial so it's a bit easier to follow for those that it's their first time doing color work or doing the European shoulders. And the tutorial will also include this finishing at all the ends of the sweater. So I have it at the hem, I have it in the cuffs, and also in the neck. It's like a modified ending, and it includes a little bit of double knitting there. So when you finish up and this curls inwards, it doesn't curl all the way down. So I'm really happy. The math worked. I was testing it and trying it, and it does look great. So I really hope you guys like it. And now I'm planning the release, of course. So the pattern is almost done. I'm gonna take some pictures for it and also for my social media accounts so people can see the finished piece, and I can also post it as the cover in the reels that I'm making, showing the process and the skeins that I've used and all of that. And yeah, also like it feels really cozy. I think it's like the perfect sweater for the in-between seasons. It's lightweight, it's not heavy at all. It's perfect. I'm enjoying it so much. So I'm gonna be wearing it all day today. So I had here all the list of things that I wanted to do. I wanted to give you an update on all the other projects that I had in mind. Probably you can see there the pillowcase is not finished. I went in the beginning of the week to the yarn store. It said that it was open in Facebook, on Instagram, on Google Maps, and I arrived and it was closed. I rang and they said that they close on Mondays, and that was, well, first news. And then I had so many things going on. So we had meetings with lawyers to figure out all the paperwork and bureaucracy that we have to do to register in the island. We also received all our boxes from Estonia finally, which makes me happy because I got all my yarn. But at the same time, it was a lot of work because we brought a lot of stuff. But finally we have all our kitchen appliances and the cookbooks and all our books. So I'm quite happy about that. But it was a lot of work. So yeah, this week it's been a lot of admin. I didn't finish that one. And the worst part is that it's almost done and I'm just missing, hold on, how can I show you? So if you see, I'm only missing one row of red, so it's not stretched too much. I'm gonna have to buy a full skein of red just for that stripe there. So yeah, that made me procrastinate also a little bit. I didn't want to buy it. I didn't want to go back to the yarn store on Tuesday. Then Wednesday we had the meeting with the lawyers, then the boxes arrived. Anyways, it's been a full week of doing that. So I'm gonna finish it next week for sure. and I will show you the finished result. I'm gonna finish the pattern too, but the website is not ready yet, so I'm not that much in a rush as I thought I would be, so that can wait a little bit there. And I mean, it looks nice already if you don't see it from the side. And also in this same topic of home decor, hold on, I'm gonna bring the lamp that I wanted to show you. I have an idea. So when we moved into the house, this lamp was already here. It's just a plain black lamp that I don't really like that much, but I figured since it works, I can repurpose it and maybe try to make it match the decor that I'm going for. It's even broken a little bit on the inside, and here it's completely cracked. But it does work, so I think I can fix it. And the idea that I had, because I saw a lot of people on Pinterest doing these things, is just wrapping yarn around it, and I want to have like a stripe pattern. So I think I'm gonna do that. And finally, since my boxes arrived from Estonia, I have all my yarns and all the leftover yarns that I had from other projects. So I guess this is a very nice project to use your leftover yarn. So this is what I was gonna be doing this morning, plus recording the video tutorial. And I also wanted to show you the next project that I have in mind, because this is probably gonna take me just one day to do. The other project that I had, I've been thinking, because I have this amazing yarn from We Are Knitters, is their Pima cotton yarn. It's the same yarn that I used for the Samba dress, and it's so soft, and I really like this kind of yarn for summer projects. So I'm designing shorts. I love wearing shorts in the summer, of course. Maybe this is not very popular, but I was thinking of combining knitting and crochet, because I want to have the main construction of the shorts, so the shorts themselves made with knitting. It's just probably my personal taste, but I like the look of the finished garments when they're done in knitting more than in crochet. So I was thinking of doing them with knitting, but I wanted to add lace, and I don't know if I'm gonna do that with crochet, so everything is cohesive and it uses the same yarn, and I can do like a simple lace motif at the end. But I don't know if that would be popular, because I don't know if many knitters are crocheters too, or many crocheters are knitters. But I really want to have these shorts. I've seen them everywhere, where they have like this, like a plain short, and then they have lace at the bottom, so they will look something like this. I don't want them to be too tight. I want them a little bit more flowy for the summer, because here it's gonna be hot, and I will make them with this yarn. It's so soft, I love it. So yeah, those are the projects. So for now, I'm gonna bring you along my boxes. We received 11 boxes from Estonia with our things that we had there, and one box is just my yarn. So I just need to figure out which one it was. I think it was number 5. So we're gonna open that one, and I think I remember what I had, because I did like an inventory before shipping them, just to know what I had inside. And I'm gonna pick the colors for this lamp. I wanna do it today. I just feel like doing it. So let's go.
When I say that you are fine, I mean you're mighty fine. You go okay, but now you're crazy, so underrated. You're one of the greatest, but the second time.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. These colors I made the Fiesta scrunchie with, and I have a lot left over. And I actually like these colors a lot together, so maybe I can wrap the lampshade with them. I'm gonna think of the possible combinations that I can use, and we'll get to it.
You go okay, but now you're crazy, so underrated. You're one of the greatest, but the second time I fell in love, no, it was just a crush. Knew too much, but I didn't know enough. Know what you're thinking, though. It doesn't matter what I'm saying unless it's all. Boy, get on the ball and score. I say fall. Move forward, get on the wall. Well, it's like 2 little talking dogs. Truly is a miracle. I'm not
I'm really happy with this one. It turned out amazing. Look at it. I think I'm gonna paint the base, but it looks so cute over there. Okay, so I was planning on recording here, but someone took over my seat. Who's in my seat? I don't think she's gonna be moving anytime soon. So yeah, I guess this is a sign to take a lunch break.
A few moments later.
Alright, so Karen found another place to sleep so I can finally record the tutorials. I made most of them while I was knitting the sweater. I'm gonna be doing that now. This is definitely the part that I dislike the most. And the plan would be to take some pictures of the sweater tomorrow, so that I can include them in the pattern and also for socials, and then try to get the tutorial ready at the same time as the pattern so everything can be released. I really want to release it next week. I will try to go tomorrow to the yarn store and finish the pillowcase. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna get started with the shorts because I really want to have them ready. It's getting really warm here and I feel like the yarn would match this sweater, so I can wear it with the sweater. So let's record for you too a little bit. Okay, so I think I have all the content that I need for the tutorial. I'm sorting out now everything on the hard drive so that I can start editing tomorrow. I'm now doing some modifications to the pattern and making sure that I have all the video tutorials linked. So I'll do a little bit of the pattern editing. I've been editing this pattern for months. I think I started it in November, December, and I'm ready to publish. I can't wait. So yeah, let's do some editing of the pattern and then let's go for a walk. I'm now gonna go take a walk in a couple of hours so we can enjoy the sunshine a little bit with some friends, and then I think I'm gonna start the shorts in the evening, so I'll bring you along. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I got a huge migraine yesterday night, so I just had to go straight to bed, and I woke up feeling a little bit dizzy still, but I feel like I'm much better. So I had time to take pictures with the sweater this morning, and I also bought the yarn that I was missing to finish that. So I'm gonna be doing that today. And well, thank you so much for watching the knitting diaries again. I'm loving sharing this with you, so I will try to make one diary every week so I can show you the progress of my projects and what I'm up to. And yeah, thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.